Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to some more Wreckfest Mobile. Let's see what we can get into here. As you can see, I put it all, I had to turn it up, sorry. I put it all on lawnmowers. Over here at Mudford Moto Park, I think that's what it's called. Oh, get out of the way, lawnmower. But y'all know the drill. I never remember the names of these race parks, of the maps. I'm sorry. But we're doing it though. We're up to 6th place. Hold on. Now this is just novice difficulty. Okay. Nah, matter of fact, it might be amateur. Whichever one, yeah, I think this, get out of here, buddy. This is just amateur. Now I'm going to do another one and have it as novice difficulty for the AI. We're going to see how that goes as well. Oh boy. Kind of compare stats, compare positions and see how I finish compared to the higher difficulty, which will be the next race. Oh, down lawnmowers. Damn, that bunch of dead people up in my way. Yeah, 10 laps. I figured, why not? We can get a good little race in 10 laps. Oh, if I could get these things slowed down. Yo, lawnmowers are not the easiest, I'll tell you. That dude's flying out of here. Oh, we got Big Papa coming up against Uncle Slam. Ah, Big Papa, I need you to relax, buddy. Oh, I missed my button. I missed the button, but that's okay. There's a big old pile up right there. We're on lap 7 out of 10. We're in 4th place. Oh no! Reset. A bunch of lapped people too. It's kind of shocking at how many we're lapping already. Oh, up to 3rd. All right, lap 9. 2 laps to go. I'm at 70 health. Jesus, where'd my health go? Oh, okay. Good reset there, buddy. Getting out of my way. We're up to 2nd. Hold on, it's Bumper Hunter that's in 1st. So if we can catch him. Oh, these guys wrecked out. Dead body. Oh, is that him? That's him. Yo, let's go. 1st place. I ain't had 1st place on the channel in a minute. Finish line. Okay, now the next one, we're gonna up the difficulty. So see you in the next race. Alright, up the difficulty. You can see the AI difficulty at the bottom menu there. Amateur. We were on novice, but I'm gonna bump it up to amateur. Alright, same track. Same amount of laps, but now we're up in the difficulty. Let's see how it goes. Okay, let's avoid all the chaos at the start of the race. Oh my goodness. Oh, bodies flying. Oh, low key, we're doing it though. Hold on, now get back here. And also, I haven't even upgraded. We're gonna take it high. Stay high. Yeah, good call, good call. Haven't even upgraded my lawnmower either. Maybe that's what I should do, have a completely buffed out lawnmower. Okay, we're up to 3rd though. Low key killing it over here on the higher difficulty. Here's 1 and 2 right here. Come on, some good racing right now. Everybody's keeping it peaceful. Loose cannon's gonna get loose, so I'm gonna take the position. We got Goon Rider right here. Oh, no. Come here, Goon Rider. Oh, but we got Loose Cannon coming back for the position. Nope, you missed. You tried. Loose Cannon tried to take me out. Oh my goodness, look at all these lappers. And I'm in first place. I took first place. Oh, get out of here, mechanic. Oh, there's the one and only Gravedigger. Just gonna peacefully make my way through here. Oh, I figured the turn out. Let's go. Alright, we're over here on lap 7. We're getting through the chaos here. We're in the thick of it with all these lappers. We got Cannonball, Gravedigger, the Bear. Let's see if I can get away from this pack, though. Alright, there goes one. Oh. I've reset. I'm down to second. Okay, back up to first. It's Goon Rider in second. Gotta watch out for Goon Rider. Oh. Bodies flying everywhere. Pieces of the fence all over the track. There goes Cannonball. I want to hit Cannonball. I want to get him out of here. Get out of here. No, I took myself out. Took myself out. We're on the last lap too. Still in first. Hold on. We got to come through turns 3 and 4 clean. And there it is. Finish line. Okay. Let's up the difficulty one more time. Alright, there it is. We were on amateur. We're going to go ahead and bump it up to expert, okay? That's as high as I can go with the difficulty, so let's get it. Alright, here we are. Expert difficulty. Just trying to avoid calamity on the first turn again. Yo, let's go. Making our way through the hole there. Damn, that... I love the ragdolls. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. Yo, this is funny. All these lawnmowers flipping. Alright, now let's see. We gotta win with both the amateur, novice difficulties. Now let's see if we can make something happen with the expert difficulty. I ain't gonna lie, expert difficulty, it's definitely, they ramped up the difficulty a little bit, but get out of here. Yo. Oh my, come on now. Hold on, we're still in 8th place. Oh, peace out. 7th. We gotta try and catch up to these leaders up here. Oh, the lawnmower. No, get off of me. Oh. Hold on, I'm gonna go up high. I'm just gonna, okay. Kind of cut the pack here. Going up high, see if we can avoid everybody. Got a big old pack in front of us. Oh no. Alright, down to... Sorry, guy. Down to 12. Gotta pick it up here. We got 6 laps. Complete. Oh, man. Yo, they're brutal here on expert difficulty. Okay, still in 12th place. Oh, there's a sign. Here's our sign award. Okay, we're not doing so hot now. Let's see if we get... lawnmower. See if we can get at least up to top 10. Avoid the lawnmowers too, yo. Oh, avoid the lawnmower. Okay, cool. Thank you for resetting at a scary time. We're on lap 9. 13th place. Oh, I knocked out 14th. Okay, here we are. Last lap. All or nothing. The mechanic is going to take the win. Alright, up to 12th. Avoid the lawnmowers. And looks like we're going to take 12th place. Alrighty, guys. That's a 10-lap race on each difficulty over here on Wreckfest Mobile. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the content. Just some lawnmower racing. Hope you guys have a great day. That's going to conclude today's episode. Like and subscribe for more. See y'all in the next one. Peace.